So let's start writing some code. Well, before we do that, I just want to start out by figuring out how to actually get the directives that we require just to show the client-side profile image. So that'll be the first step this lesson, just setting up the tools that we need. And if we follow the guide built by Patrick Riley, we'll see that we are going to need two plugins, we're going to use two directives, which is the ng file upload and the ng image crop. So we're going to install both of those, and that's going to be my first steps here. The first thing to do in the full stack to install them is go to your root of the full stack in your terminal or command prompt or whatever you're using, and then I'll just do the install ng file upload save. Of course, I'll add a link for this in the description. So now the file upload is installed. It was already installed. Just doing it again to show you. And then I'll go and do the same for the image crop. And again, if we're lucky, he has some kind of install description for us. And if he doesn't, I guess it's just that it's the same thing. Oh, here it is. Install ng image crop. I'll grab that one. I'll paste it in here, and I'll do a --save because I want it to be also saved in my bower.json file. So here it is, installed as well. Tells me that I might want to update my Bower. I'll do that later. Okay, so now I have the two plugins downloaded inside the project folder. That's good, but I also need to tell the full stack project to use them. So that's the next step. So I'm going into my Angular full stack here, and under app.js, I've added two new guys right here on the modules that I need. One is the ng file upload, and the other one is the ng image crop. If you don't know about these, where to find the names here, you can always look them up on the page where you get the project from actually. So let's just to show you that, let me go into the ng file again, and here he probably will explain to you, here it is, this is what you need to write to actually, you need to add this to the module to actually use this directive. Okay, so we've added the directive now to the code, so now we can start using his examples inside our code.